The immune system of the human body acts as a protector from harmful substances. These harmful substances, when entering the body, are then known as antigens. If we use the example of a bank robbery with multiple perpetrators as the attack on the body, then the robbers would be considered the antigens, and the police officers would be part of the immune system, more specifically, the CD4 T cells. When a bank robbery occurs, like an attack on the body, the robbers will come to the bank and must enter through a door, just like antigens must enter through some orifice in the body. The police will then come to the scene, and when arriving, most of the robbers know that if they are caught, they will be locked away and punished for their crime, causing them to, of course, flee. But, on occasion, one of the perpetrators will be apprehended. Once handcuffed, the police officer will escort the perpetrator, or antigen, outside of the bank where he will then be loaded into the police car. This perpetrator then will be taken to the police station or the antigen presenting cell and placed in an interrogation room or a lysosome, where the perpetrator will be beaten and broken down until he finally decides to talk to a sketch artist and give the descriptions of his accomplices. The sketch artist, also known as the MHC protein, will take the descriptions or peptides provided by the apprehended perpetrator and post them on the wall of the police station. Or, in other words, the MHC protein will bind to the peptides created from the broken down antigen and will present them on the outside of the antigen presenting cell. Once the descriptions of the accomplices have been posted, the police officer, or the CD4 T cells, can take a look at them, remember the faces, and whenever they recognize anyone from these descriptions, they can arrest them. In other words, the CD4 T cells will bind to and recognize the peptides and treat any associated antigen as foreign and remove it from the body. Overall, this protein provides an extremely important service because if the police, or the CD4 T cells, aren't able to recognize the accomplices of the bank robber or the other antigens, then how will it ever be able to arrest anyone? This protein allows a description to be provided of the antigens so that the CD4 T cells can recognize and eliminate them.